The big system we are tracking today is going to be this front that's projected to move through overnight tonight. Now, over the next couple hours, we are going to slowly see this warm front move up into middle Georgia. And after it passes us, we're going to get very warm, at least relative to this time of year, and pretty windy as well. We could even see some wind gusts later this afternoon around 20 miles per hour. That's only going to be increasing over the next day. And if you look over towards our west, that looks like a huge wall of rain that will be moving in here later on tonight. And I do want to talk about the timing a little bit, because even once we get closer to about 7 o'clock, it's not going to be here just yet. Most of that heavy rain is really not arriving until closer towards 10 or 11. And once it gets here, it looks like it's going to be staying for a few hours after that, which could bring us some pretty impressive rain totals as we work our way into early Thursday morning. When it comes to severe weather, though, outside of heavy rain, we're really not looking at too much here. You look at the red area, that's mainly staying in southern Alabama and the Panhandle of Florida. For us here in Georgia, a couple thunderstorms could pop up, but nothing really beyond that is going to be expected. But let's go ahead and break down our threats here with this system. Wind is going to be something big to watch. I want to talk more about that in a second. But the heavy rain over everything else is going to be impacting us. We're not going to be seeing any kind of flash flood watch come down with this system, but we could see potentially a flash flood warning if one or two spots sees over 2 inches of rain. At least as of right now, most of us are going to be right around an inch. You can see this area down here in the blue. This spot is looking at less than an inch of rain, while areas like Macon, Thomaston, and Forsyth have potential to see close to 1.5 to 2 inches of rain. And it looks like spots like Atlanta are expecting the most. Could be well over 2 inches for them. Another big thing we're tracking is going to be the wind out there, and there's going to be plenty of areas that are going to have wind gusts between 25 and 30 miles per hour. But as that front is passing through, you're going to have a few areas like this. You see how this is kind of a pinkish purple right here? That has potential to reach about 40 miles per hour for those wind gusts, and that's certainly something we're going to be tracking into that time. And now here's going to be a quick look at your fish and game forecast brought to you by Harrison's Body Shop. The best time to get out there later on today should be right around 4:20.